Texas Instrument recently priced $1.2 billion in senior unsecured notes, $550 million at 4.5% due in 2030, and $650 million at 5.1% due in 2035. These notes are typical debt instruments used by large corporations to raise capital, primarily bought by institutional investors. Because they're senior notes, they take priority in repayment in a liquidation scenario, such as a bankruptcy. However, this move isn't a red flag. It reflects Texas Instruments' strategic financial management and continued investor confidence. Texas Instrument most likely plans to use the proceeds for general corporate purposes, such as R&D, operations, debt refinancing, or shareholder returns. The company has a strong financial foundation with a market cap around $180 billion, consistent cash flow, and a solid credit rating in the A range. Furthermore, Texas Instrument maintains a shareholder-friendly approach through dividends and share buybacks, suggesting that the debt raise is likely aimed at optimizing capital rather than plugging financial holes. However, adding debt always carries risk. Texas Instrument total debt now exceeds $10 billion, and while its EBITDA supports this comfortably for now, a severe industry downturn or macroeconomic shock could tighten that cushion. Therefore, investors should monitor debt ratios and coverage metrics in upcoming earnings reports. Moving on to a broader context, Texas Instrument operates in a cyclical but critical industry. Its focus on analog and embedded semiconductors, especially for industrial, automotive, and IoT application, positions it well for steady high margin growth. Competition remains a factor, but Texas Instrument in-house manufacturing gives it an edge over fabless rivals. In conclusion, this debt issuance is routine for a company of Texas Instruments caliber. It's not a cause for alarm, but this move does warrant continued attention to how the capital is used and how the company adapts to the future market dynamics. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Even though I do hold this in my own portfolio, always do your own research and consider speaking with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions.